7 Diabetes Foot Care Tips. If you have diabetes, information about how to manage your condition is vital to your well-being. If you don't look after your feet, you run the risk of developing sores or infections that could, in the worst-case scenario, lead to amputations. As happened to my father-in-law. Reduce your risk of infection or amputation by incorporating these 7 foot care tips. 1. Check your feet daily, especially if you have low sensitivity or no feeling in your feet. Sores, cuts and grazes could go unnoticed and you could develop problems leading to amputations. 2. Don't go around barefoot, even indoors. It's easy to tread on something or stub your toes and cut yourself. Protect your feet with socks, stockings and shoes, slippers. 3. Be careful if you have corns or calluses. Check with your doctor or podiatrist the best way to care for them. 4. Wash your feet daily in warm, not hot water. And don't soak your feet, even if you've been standing all day, because it could dry your skin and form cracks or sores. 5. Take extra care to dry your feet completely, especially between your toes. These are natural moisture traps. Leaving them damp or wet could create all sorts of problems. 6. Exercise your legs and feet regularly. Even when sitting, you can rotate your ankles, wiggle your toes or move your legs up and down. These all keep your blood circulation flowing and helps to minimize the risk of foot problems. 7. Get your feet professionally checked, at least once a year, for sensitivity and signs of any problems. You can usually arrange this when you have your annual checkup for your AC1 levels, blood glucose levels over a 3-month period, blood pressure and cholesterol. Take constant care of your feet. Get help from a relative or professional, doctor, diabetic nurse or podiatrist if you are not able to bend when trimming nails or checking for sores. Taking these simple actions will help you reduce the risk of painful problems. If you want to know more on how to reverse your diabetes, follow the link in the description. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.